In this video, you'll learn how to use the latest capabilities of the new Media Manager. We've made it easier than ever to add, manage, and organize all your site's media and files in one place. The new Media Manager is site-based, so you'll have access to the files that were added to the Wix site that you're currently working on. It also makes it easier to work with contributors within the Media Manager. This also means that anytime you edit, add, remove, or organize media, the changes will only take place on that Wix site. You'll still be able to access files you have on your other Wix sites. Later in the video, we'll show you how. How to upload media from your computer, social channels, and cloud storage services. On the top left, click Upload Media. Then, Upload from Computer. Select the files you want to use and click Open. You can also drag and drop the files onto the screen here. To import files from your social accounts like Instagram and Facebook, or cloud storage services like Dropbox and Google, choose the accounts you want to connect. Select the files you want to use, and click Upload Selection. How to import media from your other Wix sites. Want to use media from another Wix website you've created? You can easily import it to reuse on the site you're currently working on. Here's how. Click on Upload Media. Then select My Wix Account. Here you'll find all of the files and folders you've uploaded to your Wix account. To see your files organized by site, click By Site. Click the site's folder. Select the files you want to use, then click Upload Selection. They will now appear in the Site Files section for you to use on the site you're working on. How to create folders and organize your media files. To keep your files organized, you can sort them into different folders. Click Create New Folder over here on the right. You can drag and drop files into your new folder, or right-click the thumbnail, click Move To, select the folder you want to move it to, and then click Move Here. If you have files that you use often and want to easily access them, mark them as favorites. Click on the white star at the top left corner of the thumbnail, or up here at the top right. Files marked as favorites will automatically appear under the My Favorites tab. If you want to filter your files by type, click Media Types up here on the right. You can also change the way the files are sorted and displayed. Whenever you upload an image to the Media Manager, it will automatically be tagged for its content, making it easier to search for similar media. Clicking on the images tag allows you to automatically search across all your media sources as well as free images from Wix and Shutterstock for similar content. How to collaborate with contributors on your site. When you collaborate with contributors, they can add, edit, and organize media on the site they are currently working on. To see who added a file to the Media Manager, click on the thumbnail. You'll see the file info down on the right, including the contributor's email address. Remember that the Media Manager is site-based. This means that when you transfer a site to someone else, any files that were added, edited, or organized on that site will automatically be transferred over in the Media Manager. How to get professional media from Wix and Shutterstock. Wix offers thousands of free images and videos that you can use anywhere on your site. To add them, click Free from Wix. You can also browse by specific type, category, and choose which image orientation you would like to see, horizontal or vertical. See some images you like, add them to your site, or mark them as favorites so you can easily find them later. Click Shutterstock to access thousands of high-quality photos available for purchase. Buy them once and they're yours to use across all your Wix sites. Now you're ready to use the new Media Manager. This video is always here, so come back and watch again if you need help.